Welcome back, guys. Okay, so I don't know what I'm talking about first, but let's do the review. Yo, what's up, everyone? Here's me, Max, and today we're playing Disassembly 3D again. So let's try a rice cooker because I want to eat rice right now. Press this button. Oh my god, there's actually rice inside. What if I try to cook it? Will it have rice? Will it have, I don't know why I said rice, but will it have real rice in it? That is a bit of a question. Oh, steam is coming out. Oh my god, the rice is actually real. Oh my god. Let's close it. Okay, sorry, I didn't meant to do that, but it looks pretty cool with that thing out. I don't know what is it used for. Close it. Time to put the bombs on. Should I put it outside? No, I'm putting it inside. Oh, it's outside. 3, 2, 1, bang! Destruction! Destroyed. Here's the stuff coming out, and the bowl. You can just throw this into the nowhereness. Oh, I actually broke the glass. Is this the first time I've seen you broke the glass in this thing? Maybe. That looks ugly. I don't care. Let's turn into the next one! Now we are destroying let's see which pack. Whee! Okay, pack 7. Miny, mo. Catch your buddy with a go. I don't care what, just say yes. I just need you to go now. The car. I guess that's good. I don't know why I said that. Sorry for hurting you guys' brains. I actually love you guys. But, what the heck? Okay, I don't care. That's just weird stuff. Oh, I broke a glass. Oh, I hope police doesn't catch me now. Oh, sorry, I opened your window. Yeah, I don't care. 3, 2, 1! Oh, it's coming out of fire. Oh, the engine is on fire. The window broken. The roof is broken. The door is not broken. If you... Oh, the iPad. The iPad is still in good shape. Never mind. Oh my god. This thing never broke. Look, you can still see it's open. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bimbo. Okay, is that a company name? But I don't know if that copyright or something, so I don't care about that. It's spinning. What the heck? When my rim is spinning. What the heck is this? I don't know this stuff exists. Oh. Only one wheel destroyed. Has been destroyed. Look at. Is this made out of wood? This looks like it's made out of wood. Oh my god, it's so uncomfortable then. Let me see the speed monitor. Okay, I cannot see any stuff. It's so blurry. Oh wait, there's no speedometer in this stuff. There's no speedometer. It's just the gearbox. This is the speedometer. Oh, this is a smart car. I don't think I said stuff right, but if you love cars, I said it wrong. But let's do our last one. Let's go back to the back one. Let's wipe down number. Oh, and whee! Item pack 13. Let's try other stuff looks trash. Oh wait, I did a helicopter before. Let's try again. Let's try drone. I never tried a drone before. Yeah. Okay, so let's put our bomb inside and let it fly.